Welcome back to my BIP travel channel again, my friends. Today I will take you to Siriphum waterfall. It's located at Khun Klang village, Jom Thong, Chengmai province, northern Thailand. What you see in the distance is Siriphum waterfall. I will get closer and taking a hike to there as well sometimes tomorrow. We just arrived here and about to set up the tent to spend the night here. Now it's around noon time after we left the Doi Intanon. What you see on the distance is that the Siriphum waterfall, the largest one on the left. You see all the white water coming down right there, and into the right we get a smaller one there. Right there is came from the same source of the water contributor. I believe it's named Khun Klang. And what you see, those white strips, plastic strip that's covered up the area is the where the local grow the flowers to keep the sometime weather getting cold so it won't damage the flowers. At night they also use the heat lamp to keep them warm if the temperature drop cold, but since we got here at night will be lit up a whole thing. It'll look pretty as when you see it. We are just arrived and we haven't set up the tents yet. I will have my own tent and my sister and her husband have their own tent. And we lucky we got a spot right where the front row seat of the resort here, close to the observation deck, so you can go up there and do my filming or anything like that. Which what you can see right now, this is the observation deck where I standing and shooting the video for you. Pan to the right, let's see that the waterfall in the distance there, and some smoke came out from the faraway village. I think they burned the leaves or some kind of log to clear the area and to grow more flowers. What you see in the distance is the smoke, burning smoke came from the house there where the village. I think they burn out the debris or leaves or lava to clear all the area and keep things very clean over here to prevent the fire and stuff. So the mountain people taking care the land very well. There are also pre-set up tents where you can rent per night. I believe 200 per person per on the setup tent. If you bring your tent, you set up on own, they will charge you 100 baht night, which equivalents to $3, a little over $3, and you got your own tent set up and spend the night over here. They also have the bungalow to rent per room. I believe they charge $400 per room. Usually a couple will stay in there. Those who don't want to bring the tent or don't have tent to come. Down there you see is the restroom, where men's and to the left, women to the right, and they have washroom and washing machine for your clothes as well. I went down there. They also have the hot water and sink to wash. It's very nice and clean. Way better than United States Park, I'll tell you the truth. I've been to the park in the United States and muddy and dirty and everything else. Over here is more world class in Thailand. So I am encouraged you to come visit Thailand. I had to do some correction a while ago. I said bungalow will charge you $400 per night, actually 400 baht per night. So multiplied it by 3 per 100, that'll be about $12 something per night for the bungalow of 2. Alright. The bungalow and pre-set up tents, most of the time they have their own bathroom inside there for your convenience, that you pay for that price. You don't have to walk down there to use the public restroom down there for as a tent goer do. So more convenient that way. I am going to let you hear the sound of the night while we camping, and I was partying with the 10 people next door. They are the local from that area, and we play guitar and drinking and get to know one another. Very nice people. I'll let you enjoy the atmosphere. Mày mới xin mà xin mà điนี่มาแล้วโอ้ยไม่ดีกำลังสวยเดี๋ยวไปตัดต่อใหม่ผมถ่ายไว้แล้วก็ไปตัดต่อทีหลังมีคอมพิวเตอร์กลับไปที่บ้านก็ตัดต่อนี่ขึ้นมา
กี่วันเดือนปีผ่านทางชีวิตหลากหลายโศกซ้อนซ้ำๆคงซ้ำๆวนหลีกหนีไม่พ้นไม่หลงทางเก่าซ้ำๆไม่พ้นเดิมจากเช้าจนค่ำยันอีกวันคนควายหากินทำงานรับใช้ใครหัวใจร่ำมึงร้องว่าเหนื่อยเลือดไหลเจ้านายเจ้าขามีแต่เธอสม่ำเสมอถึงซ้ำเดิมหัวใจไม่เคยว่า เป็นเธอคนเดิมทุกเวลาอีกนี้ไม่พ้นไม่หลงทาง ทางเก่าซ้ำๆไม่พ้นเดิมจากเช้าจนค่ำยันอีกวันคนควายหากินทำงานรับใช้ใครโน้หัวใจร่ำมึงร้องเมื่อเหนื่อยเลือดไหลเจ้านายเจ้าขามีแต่เธอสม่ำเสมอถึงซ้ำเดิมหัวใจไม่เคยว่าคอยอยู่เคียงข้างกันและเป็นเธอคนเดิมทุกเวลากี่วันเดือนปีผ่านผ่านชีวิตหลากหลายสอกซ้อนซ้ำๆคงซ้ำๆวนคอยอยู่เคียงข้างกันและเป็นเธอคนเดิมทุกเวลา
Well, you are the lucky one. I was singing the song for you along with my friends over there named Tua. He is the local playing guitar. We sing the Thai music together, and the tense people on the side just sing along with us, and we just have a real great time together. And I hope you enjoy my videos. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for me. Your support is very appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. I'll take you to the hike to the waterfall. Inside the waterfall, you'll see the Jurassic Park inside there too. Don't miss it. I'll see you later. Bye bye.